Hold up! If you've swiped your card at a bank ATM in the States anytime since 2007, you might be looking at some easy cash. Visa and Mastercard just got hit with a massive $197 million settlement, and the clock is ticking for you to grab your share. So here's the tea. For years, these credit card giants were allegedly rigging ATM fees, making sure you paid more every time you needed some quick cash. They basically had a monopoly on those surcharges, and the courts finally said, enough is enough. Now, you're probably wondering, am I eligible? If you used a bank-operated ATM in the US and paid a fee between 2007 and now, the answer is a big yes. Whether you're in New York, Cali, or Texas, this applies to millions of Americans. We're talking about a serious payout for anyone who felt the sting of those extra couple of bucks at the machine. Don't let the big banks keep your money. You need to head over to the official settlement site, atmclassaction.com, and file your claim. It's super straightforward, no legal jargon needed. Just a few clicks, and you're in the running for a reimbursement check. The deadline is coming up fast in June 2026, so don't sleep on this. Share this video with your friends and fam because honestly, who doesn't want free money? Smash that like button and stay tuned for more updates on how to get what's yours. Catch you in the next one.